Hey guys, this is Trent with Hometown Homestead. Oh wait, wait. I think we did something. We changed our name. This is Trent with Rustic SoDak. So we've done something a little big. We decided to move from our little 10-acre area, and we have found ourselves about 270 acres. So we just purchased that, and it's about 170 acres of hay. So you'll be able to see our new hay operation, and you'll be able to see our new livestock operation because we have about 100 acres of pasture. And yeah, so come along with our adventure. We've been buying new tractors and buying new balers. I got my buddy Gavin here. He doesn't get shown a whole lot because he's normally in school, but he sure is excited as well. What do you think of the place? Cool. Yep. And yeah, so basically you guys will come along with our little adventure and we'll see how it goes.
There you
go. Let us know if you have any tips, any advice. Subscribe, help us out. We appreciate it. Thank you much.
Cheese. Oh, thank you, buddy. Oh, so many. Alright guys, here's another. We've already usually been parking lately, but this place is pretty. So cool.
One of them has an E, and that's Ethan.
And we got our dam right there. We brought a paddle boat over. We got one of those last year to go to the lake, but now we got a little lake. So, oh yeah.
Cool.
Pretty cool. Boys are having lunch. Brought a little picnic bags over. And then we'll have to show you guys. I don't know today. We got some stuff to do, but we'll show you guys the property over there too. And there's the hay grounds a little closer. And it's all irrigated hay ground. Which we gotta learn how to use the irrigation. It's gonna be a learning curve for a lot of stuff. But there's the dam. I'm sure we'll be spending a lot of time out there. So excited that the boys get to grow up here. So excited. And I saved up some birthday money. Mommy got a paddleboard. Are you excited about my paddleboard? I think we should try it out.
Yeah, and we can do the paddleboat.
You can do the paddleboat. Cool.
Vertical.